It was 10 p.m. in Iceland. We had been driving all day, and now we had a choice. Stay on the fog-covered ring road or gamble on a snow-covered mountain pass. After much deliberation, we decided to take the scary mountain pass instead of the ring road. We didn't quite realize how difficult it was until it was too late.
Welcome to Iceland!
At first, it didn't seem so bad, but the higher we went, the more winter we found. Snowbanks closed in on both sides of the roadway.
17% grade.
It was 10 o'clock at night. We are taking this non-F-road F-road.
It's a mountain pass.
Yeah, I'll say so.
We've gone about a half hour, which according to Google Maps is about 3 minutes of their estimate.
We've got 30 minutes. We'll be there at 1 a.m., maybe 1 p.m.
The other people are coming down, so it suggests they got through.
That's actually a really good point, unless they turned around.
Unless they just all turned around.
Whoa, look how thick this ice is.
It looks like
this ice is so thick.
If it looks like we're about to drive on a glacier.
Wow, this is actually snow on the ground, or something.
Well, this is pretty exciting.
It's like 11 o'clock now.
Oh yeah, it's 11 o'clock at night. We're not making a lot of progress towards our destination, but we did find snow.
Whoa, that's a huge foss. Whoa.
There's a big foss. I gotta remember to watch the road here.
Please watch the road.
It's really hard to remember because it's so beautiful. I just want to look around at everything. Oh god, look at the snow. I knew when I saw this road that it was going to be super windy because on the road map it looked super windy. Look how tall this snow is. It's taller than me. We found snow.
We're in the snow.
We're in the snow.
The car's very dirty.
Yeah, pretty dirty.
If we bring it in this dirty though, maybe they won't notice any scratches. We had never driven a road like this before. This was a first time driving a 4x4. I would have gone the other route, which I think was actually more dangerous.
No, the other route? I think the other route would have been faster.
Yeah, but I think it would have been more dangerous because of the fog I really couldn't see. We had been driving for nearly 12 hours. There was still plenty of daylight, but that didn't calm our nerves.
We haven't done the down yet, so there's that.
Yeah, there is that.
Look at that window into the sunset.
Beautiful.
Now we'll be there in 32 minutes.
The way up was so challenging that the descent to the west wasn't so bad. Eventually, the gravel road became paved after the merge with Route 95. As we crossed into the next valley, the sun emerged. It was after 11 p.m., but looked like late afternoon. We were treated with mesmerizing colors during what felt like a perpetual sunset. I do feel lucky that we made it to our place without any issues. We saw 2 cars abandoned on the side of the road with broken axles.
It's 11:05. We left at 8. How many hours is that?
A lot of hours.
That's a lot of hours.
Turn left, then your destination will be on the left.
Look how
We found it!
Woo-hoo. We found it!
Your destination is on the left.
Wow.
Oh my gosh.
So cute. We're gonna be happy here. Oh my goodness. Wow.
Oh my god, this is so special. Look how happy he is. I knew it was pretty amazing. Yeah, there was a lot of sitting areas. That's why I chose this place. There's so many sitting areas.
There's so many cities.
Yeah, there's a lot of sitting areas here. That's why. It was one of the reasons I chose it.
We're taking a hike on our property. You look pretty happy.
Wow. We get to be here for a week. I've just been thinking about this big schlep for some time. But in a pretty fancy place with the sunset behind us.
All right, take us to the Flora Cottage. We found
Flora
it.
Cottage.
It's just before midnight. I cannot believe.
Oh, you found a key?
Oh, I got in the lockbox. Yeah, I found the combo. Took a screenshot. Woohoo! We have an antechamber.
Whoa, lights.
Let there be lights.
Let there be lights.
Here we go. Explore our cottage with us.
Wow.
Oh my goodness, this is so cool.
Wow. These pretzels are making me thirsty. Whoa, this is so fancy.
Success. Happy marriage cake. This is a happy marriage cake. They should put a 25 on it. It's really cute. Happy 25.
Well, we're never gonna get anything with this.
No, we're not. Happy marriage. It's 1:15 a.m.
It sure is.
Never-ending sun.
It's so pretty. It's so pink that way.
Turn the ship around, Captain.
Check out scenes from our first day exploring East Iceland in our next episode. We finally made it to Stewed Lagil.